Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for October 13th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This particular pair did close up, but not by much, tagged low and moved higher. Overall, this pair is starting to move sideways, definitely have a bias to the downside still. Look for it to potentially go as high as 82.36, possibly as low as 81.17. Look for some resistance around 82.10 and look for some support around 81.35. Okay, now the EUR-USD pair. This pair closed higher today. We are looking for this pair potentially to break out. We has been moving sideways for the past couple of sessions. Definitely still has a bias to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 14080, possibly as low as 13847. Look for some resistance around 140.38 and look for some support around 139.10 or 39.00. Now the pound US dollar pair pulled higher. It has been moving sideways as well. Slight bias to the upside still. Look for it to potentially go as high as 159.90, possibly as low as 156.99. Look for some resistance around 159.65 and look for some support around 157.50. Okay, now the US Swiss, this pair closed higher, did break previous session's lows, but pulled higher to move to close up. It is moving sideways, definitely has a bias to the downside still. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9692 on a reversal. Look for it to go down to 0.9475. Look for some resistance around 0.9650 and look for some support around 0.9541. Now, as far as news announcements go, we don't have any significant news announcements for this next session. So let's go ahead and dive into what I'm looking for during this next session. Well, we have an inside bar that was created in the pound today. If you notice, today's session has a lower high than the bar before it and a higher low than the bar before that. So this is our inside bar. Look for a potential breakout to the upside. Obviously, we have some other areas of resistance within the same area, but if you really go up high enough, you'll notice that another, basically a good place to potentially exit right here is about 40 pips up, where we have some areas of resistance. Again, of course, you could come up to this high and just trail it if you wanted to. To the downside, fairly clear. Look for an exit at these. Right around this area, we have an area of resistance. Here it's support and support and support. I do believe we'll see it stop at that level if it gets down there. That's about a 40 pip move. Of course, that would be on top of 140 pips, so be a large volume day or pretty decent volume day. Now, probably the trade I'm most excited about is the Euro-USD pair. We have a swing trade setup right here. It has occurred over the past 3 sessions, and then we have a high here, potential for a breakout to the upside. What I want to do is look to grab the 30 or so pips between the two. We got about a 30 pip move, 31 pip move. If we get a breakout to the upside, I see it going through that area extremely quick. I think it's a great 30 pip play. I do believe that when I come back in tomorrow morning, I'll have an extra 30 pips in my account from this, so definitely keep an eye on that one. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.